Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do wiring of electric board. Okay, so here this is an electric board, back side this is, and the front side of this electric board looks like this. That's you already know. Okay, so now you see one, two, three, four switches and four sockets I have used here in this electric board. Okay, so I will explain how to make the connection, means how to connect different wires in different terminals. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'm going to explain you the wiring, means how we do. So first I'm going to make four switches and four sockets. Now you can see four switches and four sockets. You have to, first of all, I'm drawing so that you people will be able to understand in an easy way. Okay, because if the concept is clear, then you can mm, do wiring of any type of complicated or very complex circuit also. So the basic concept today for you all people are going to be clear. Okay, so four switches. So now you see these are the terminals of switches. So and these are the terminals of socket. Okay, so 3-pin socket I'm using here. Okay, and the switch is one-way switch. Okay, one-way switch I am using, and 3-pin socket I am using. So I think it looks like this. Okay, now you can see here. So as switch here, then after socket, then switch, then socket, then switch, socket, switch, and socket. So now uh, two wires come, means the one wire it is the phase, another wire it is neutral. Okay, so the phase wire I'm going to represent by using red pen. Okay, and neutral wire I will represent by using black. Okay, so this is the black. So first of all, neutral. So I'm going to explain about the neutral wire. So whenever neutral wire comes now, so neutral wire, just like here it goes, because in the supply line two wires generally come. First it is the phase and the second it is the neutral. Okay, so here now you can see now here first of all make the connection like this. Okay, then the same common, means the same wire will go to the, means one wire, black wire, means neutral wire is going to be common in all these four socket directly, direct connection. Now neutral wire came and directly connect to one pin of the socket. Now you can see one pin of the socket directly, this is neutral wire, and I'm representing neutral wire, and so here one pin directly connected, this is the common, so you connect directly. And then after, what you can do next, it is the phase. So how to connect the phase? So phase it goes to the switch. Okay, phase always goes to switches, neutral directly goes to sockets. Okay, and phase directly goes to switches. Okay, so now here I'm showing here now you can see, so connected here. So this is the first switch, then this will go to another switch. So now again take this and simply connect to this one. Now this one, it was the phase P. Okay, so P here it is, So now you see P phase. So first connect to the first switch, okay, then goes to the second switch, means that is common in the same phase wire, it goes to this one, then goes to third one, then goes to fourth one. Now you can see them. Neutral directly to sockets, phase directly to switches. Okay, phase we have to connect to always switches. Okay, always. And then after, the other terminal of the switch, other terminal of the switch should be connected. Now those terminals, so which are connected to phase, so those terminals we have to leave as it is. So now you can see we don't have to do anything. And what we have to do, we have to connect the other terminal of the switch to sockets. So now you can see I'm going to make the connection like this here, like this, then like this, okay, and then like this, and then like this. Clear? So that is the way we make the connection. Understood? So now I'm going to show you, so in the board practically how it is connected. The same pattern there it is also. Here you can see, so now two wires came here. So here in this board, both wire I used red because I had only red wire, so that's why. So now you can see this is neutral, this wire. Now you see this one, this is now you can, first of all you identify this is the switch, then switch socket, switch, and now you see 2 pins switch, and 3 pins socket. Okay, now you can see 2 pins here and 3 pin here. So 3 pin this is socket, and 2 pin this is switch. Okay, so this neutral wire, this is neutral wire, this is directly connected to this one, this socket. Okay, and after this first socket, now you can see this wire, now this wire which I am holding, so this wire goes to connected to the second socket, directly second socket. Then the same wire, it is connected, this is common. Now you can see from first to second it came directly, then second to came third. You can you trace my finger. Okay, you trace my finger that it is directly coming to this one, and then after third to it goes to the fourth one. Now you can see this one it is the fourth one, it goes to the fourth socket. Okay, so it means neutral wiring connection, it is over. Now the next thing what we have to do, we have to make the connection of the phase. Now you can see here neutral wire, first neutral came, then after connect to the socket. So now the same neutral that is common to all sockets. Okay, now next to phase goes to all switches, that is common. Now you can see here phase goes to here, then after second switch, then after third switch, then after fourth switch. So now this is a phase. Now you can see here this wire which I am holding, this wire it is the phase, this goes to the first switch, and the same connection it goes to the next switch again. So now you can see at the bottom one, this wire, okay, this one. Now you can see from beneath. Now I'm going to show you. Now it will be clear. Now you can see here, this is a phase wire, this is connected to switch, first switch, then from the first switch it goes to, now you can see here this is the second switch. Okay, it goes to the second switch, and then from here on, now you can see now you can see from the second one it goes to third switch. Okay, and from the third switch you can see, from the third switch it goes to, now you can trace my finger, this goes to fourth switch. Okay, so this red connection it is over, the upper portion it is clear, now connected to all switches. Now we have to make connection in between the switches and the sockets. So for making that connection, now you can see the other terminal of the switch is directly connected to the socket. Okay, now you can see here other terminal. So other terminal, so now you can see the upper part is the another terminal. Now you can see here the bottom terminal already connected to phases. Now the upper part, now you can see the upper part here it is. Now you can see here, now it is going to be clear. The upper part here it is this one, this switch, this goes to the other terminal of the socket, which okay. Then in the same way, now for the second switch, the other terminal of the switch is connected to socket. Now you can see, and then the third also switch is connected to the this switch, third switch is connected to the third socket, other terminal of the socket. Now fourth switch is connect other terminal of the fourth switch, it is connected to the other terminal of the socket. Okay, so I hope it is clear how to do wiring of electric board. So to watch videos like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will see in another videos.